Welcome to Nancy Ogbebor TV, where cooking is made easy. Here we prepares all kind of Africa and intercontinental dishes. Stay with us and remain blessed.
Hello beautiful people, hope you all are doing great. Today let's make this healthy oatmeal recipe that will leave you asking for more. So without further ado, let's dive right into the preparation. So I'll be using 1.5 cup of oats and I'll use 5 cups of water. Okay, so but if you want your oatmeal to be a bit thicker, you can reduce the water quantity. Okay, so next I'll be adding dates. So I'm going to be de-seeding this date, and after that I'll soak it. Feel free to use any sweetener of choice. Okay, so but I'll be using dates. I'm going to be adding water to it and I'll soak this for a few minutes.
From local place to something new on Nancy Ogbebor TV. It's all for you. Sizzle in the pan now, color on the plate.
Okay, and after a few minutes I'm back to check on the oats. I'm gonna stir this. Next we're gonna go over to blending. Thank you amazing people for always coming back to watch me. I truly appreciate all your support and I'm not taking your love for granted. And if you're coming across my video for the very first time, hello, you're welcome here. Here we make amazing recipe that you will love. Please subscribe and stay connected. So here are some few ways you can enjoy your oatmeal. 1. You can use it in smoothies and protein shakes. Try oatmeal in your breakfast dishes like cereal and your oatmeal. Use oat milk instead of cow milk when baking goods like cakes and muffins. Make hot chocolate using oatmeal, cocoa powder, and a sweetener like maple syrup. Try oat milk in your morning coffee or tea. So actually you can also replace oatmeal with cow milk. For people that are allergic to normal milk, this is an alternative. And here are some benefits you can get for consuming oat milk. 1. It can support your heart health. It may support healthy digestion, provides a source of antioxidants. Fortified oat milk can boost your nutrition. Okay, so it has a whole lot of benefits. It is also a great source of vitamin B and D. It is also a great source for bone health. It has a high level of dietary fiber. So after blending, go ahead to sieve it and your oat milk is ready. I went ahead to add in more sweetener because that date was a little bit small. Okay, because I have little ones that are going to consume this. So I'm going to can this and it can last up to 5 days in your refrigerator. Try this recipe and let me know what you think about it. And I will see you in my next one. From me is bye-bye.